reasons why you would use a hair growth serum. Maybe you want your edges a little thicker. Maybe you want to take better care of your scalp and hair. Or maybe you want to grow your hair out ASAP from a cut that you don't necessarily love. Like me. Well, it's not necessarily, I don't hate the cut, and trust me, I do everything myself. I've been cutting my hair for like my whole life. So anyway, it's not that I don't like the, okay, let me just start from the beginning. So a while back, I cut some layers into my hair because I wanted more volume, and I loved it. I love the way it come out. As you can see, the layers is layering, the layers layered. And then I had an idea to do like a kind of bang, like just a little one, like not a full like, because that doesn't, I don't like how that looks on me. But I was like, maybe I want the front a little bit shorter. And then it was like, okay, like it was I had some cute times, and then, you know, some days it wouldn't be so cute to me, and I was like, So then I figured it's the best time for me to try St.Tropica's True Bloom Hair Growth Serum. And yes, we are finished with Levado. All of it, well, actually there's a little drop in here that I can show you how it's going. I mean, how it's done. But you guys know how to put serums in your hair. You don't need a tutorial for that. So I'm obsessed with this hair growth serum, and I'll tell you why in a second, but I just want you to get a look of how in the last 60 days my hair has grown. Like my layers are coming down this way. They used to be like up, and now they've calmed down. The bang is still banging, but it's kind of like I can't see. Before I could see, like it was short enough to be above my eyebrow, but now it's like you got to kind of like get it out my face because I can't see. So that's good. The layers is they've grown out pretty much, and I'll probably keep it like this. I'm not gonna put any scissors to it again, and you know, unless it's a trim. And then the length, let's do a length check. The length is lengthening, so it has gotten a little bit longer at the ends, and I'm not going to cut it anytime soon unless I need a trim or something. But to do like another layer thing, I'm probably not going to do that for a while. Maybe I'll do it at the end of the year. I want it to grow out some more. So let's get into the ingredients. I took some notes or whatever, and I think there's some really good stuff in this serum, starting with hibiscus extract, which helps to lessen hair fall. So your hair sheds 75 to 100 strands every day. How did they come up with that figure? She don't know, but this is what we're going with. So the hibiscus extract is going to help not go over the 100, not go to the 200 to 300, because we don't want that. What is this word? Panthenol. Panthenol moisturizes the hair strands, so when you put the serum in your hair, it moves down the hair strands. Hopefully it'll get to the ends, because that's where you really need the moisturizations. Saw palmetto. Saw palmetto. Palmetto sounds better, but it better not be palmetto. Improves hair growth and helps prevent hair loss, so we like that too. Bring Raj, which that's a herbal Hervude. Okay, anyway, so it helps balance the scalp and helps with dry scalp and dent. Wait, what did I write? Which helps balance the scalp and helps with dry scalp and dent. Those too many ands. I didn't write that right. It helps balance the scalp. No, I gotta get this right, because this is, I went to college and I graduated, so we gotta get this together. Which helps balance the scalp, as well as helps with dry scalp and dandruff. I said as well as, and said, okay. So there we go. And it also helps prevent hair fall and encourages new hair growth. Now the Bring Raj, I used to use that oil from the Indian store, because the Indian ladies at the store said that's how they keep their hair thick and healthy. They would put it on, like, you know, when coconut oil came out. Cat hair all over the place. Like when coconut oil came out and got really popular, I was at the Indian store and I seen it. I was like, oh, how do you use this? And they said, put it in your hair, leave it on it, and wash it out. the next day or the same day, whatever. I was using that oil and my hair was glorious at the time. I need to go back and get some, or I could just buy some of the serum. Rice protein, and we know what the rice water did to them ladies in Asia. We know what they did. They had long glorious hair. We had our rice water run. Maybe I should get back into it. It's just like I don't feel like making it, and then but the rice water era was dope. But I'm happy it's in this serum. And then for my favorite, drum roll please, or not, we'll see how we feel in editing, peppermint oil. Stimulates blood circulation to accelerate hair growth. Now, that's all fine and dandy, but we all know what we want the peppermint oil to do. We want it to make our scalps breathe. I love that breathing feeling, that like breathy, like I feel like air is going in and out of my scalp. It's amazing. Everybody should love that peppermint feeling. That's why I use Dr. Bronner's peppermint Castile soap only on my face, because I like to feel that it wakes me up in the morning. So I only use it on my face and under my arms, but I don't use it all over my body. Anyway, I also like this serum because it's a serum and not an oil, because I have combination kind of skin, but it's more on the oilier side. So whenever I use like a oil on my, or whenever I use oil on my hair or in my scalp, sometimes it moves to my face and it makes extra oil, and I don't want that. So if you would like to try this serum yourself, do a 60-day challenge, go ahead and click the link in the bio. There's also a 100-day money back guarantee. So within the 100 days that you purchase this product and you're not feeling it, you can send it back and get your money back. Like and subscribe and do all the things, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.